Hi everybody, it's about 6 in the morning at the Simple Cafe. I was doing some weeding through the garden. I spent maybe 10 minutes weeding all through here. I put in a few annuals, some Bidens, and I've got a hole to fill there. I'm going to bring 2 limonium in. I put in some sunflowers from Ball, the all summer long, I don't know the name of these annuals. I just grab them to add some enhancement and entertainment for the people coming to the cafe. You can see the Asclepias syrica. We tend to that, so that has a nice group of colony going through here. 2 more limonium, gladifolium will go in there, and 2 more Provskia. But it's looking really good. But I wanted to show you something that I think you all know. But you see the edges? As long as you have sunlight hitting soil, weed seeds will keep coming up all along this edge. And this is the labor right now. I've got to come back with the Dutch push-pull hoe. So I spent 10 minutes in this entire garden. Maybe 10. I'm not going to go that far. Maybe 10. I might be exaggerating. But all along, I'm going to spend about 45 minutes to an hour cleaning all these edges where sunlight is hitting soil. So can you see the advantages of dense planting, dense socially good planting? It really works well. Then you edit the Asclepias coming in. It's doing wonderfully well as part of the composition. And we have other plants in here that really fell in nicely, and they contribute to the overall aesthetics of the garden. And that's what it is for me. It's about health. Health to me is healthy soil and clean water. We've got a lot of bunch grasses in there, Sprobolus in the back, and with deep penetrating roots. We've got a lot of really good plants that respect their space in here. But it's back to this. If you leave open soil for whatever reason, you're going to have continuous weed seed population and continuous labor. You're not going to have gardening. See that edge? And people say, well, what do I do about that, Roy? I put in more geranium sanguineums. Look how they cover the edge. I have no weeding here. I have weeding here because people step here. When they cut the corner, they'll step there. So that could be some rocks. So I'm really counting on maybe some more geranium sanguineum, or I might come up with the dwarf oregano. I've been using a dwarf oregano in here too, so I can have that as an edging and still put some annuals in for entertainment for humans. So we're in this transitional period of where the perennials can really be wonderfully done in a Monet moment, or Van Gogh, or whatever impressionistic painter you'd like. But I still have to incorporate higher levels of entertainment, because that's what people expect plants to do. You better entertain me. And generally people say, if you're not entertaining me, I'm going to throw you in the mulch pile. So that's the life of most herbaceous plants in urban areas, is if you don't entertain me, you're going in the mulch pile. Okay, thanks everybody. I'll talk to you soon.